struggling to get clicks on your videos? You're not alone. The secret isn't just your content, it's your thumbnail. What if I told you that with the help of AI, you can generate scroll-stopping thumbnails in just minutes, without any design experience or Photoshop skills? Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, you'll learn how to create professional-looking YouTube thumbnails using powerful AI tools like Pikzels and Piclumen, and yes, you'll also see how to enhance them with text using Canva. Let's begin. Step 1. What makes a thumbnail clickable? Before jumping into the tools, let's clarify what makes a good thumbnail. High contrast visuals, emotional or intriguing imagery, clear focal subject, minimal or no text. We'll add that later, if necessary. Step 2. Thumbnail creation with Pikzels.com. Go to Pikzels.com. Sign up or log in with your account. On the dashboard, click on AI Image Generator. In the free version you'll get free credits to create 5 thumbnails with watermark. Prompt for thumbnail 1, drama/narrative style. A man running on a cracked highway, chased by a giant shadowy monster, cinematic lighting, dark storm clouds, intense facial expression, 16:9 aspect ratio, ultra-realistic, dramatic composition, high contrast. Paste this in the prompt box. Click Generate. Wait for the image to render. Download the one you like. Prompt for thumbnail 2, text/AI theme. Close-up of a glowing AI robot head split in half showing circuits and gears, futuristic background, bright blue and white lights, cinematic, realistic, YouTube thumbnail style, 16:9. Generate and download. Think you need Photoshop or a graphic designer? These tools just proved you don't. And we're only halfway through. Wait until you see what Piclumen can do. Step 3. Generate thumbnails with Piclumen.com. Visit Piclumen.com. Sign in or create a free account. Choose Image Generator from the dashboard. Make sure to switch to the creative mode for wider variation. Prompt for thumbnail 1, shocking/fear element. A man looking terrified as a massive wave crashes behind him, high saturation, cinematic colors, 16:9, dramatic lighting, intense atmosphere, eye-level view. Adjust style to photorealistic or dramatic, then generate. Prompt for thumbnail 2, financial/business theme. A stressed businessman surrounded by falling dollar bills and stock market charts, red warning signs, dramatic facial expression, bright lighting contrast, 16:9 aspect ratio. Generate and download. Prompt for thumbnail 3, educational theme. A person holding a glowing brain in their hands, classroom background with chalkboard, warm lighting, educational tone, cinematic depth of field, 16:9. Pick the most suitable image and save. Step 4. Optional. Add text using Canva. Go to Canva.com. Click on Create a Design YouTube Thumbnail, 1280 by 720. Upload your AI-generated image. Add large, high-contrast text if absolutely necessary. Use Bibis Nui or Anton fonts for bold impact. Keep the text short, 2 to 4 words max. Once done, click Download and save it as PNG. Light bulb. Step 5. Thumbnail naming and organizing. Rename all thumbnails clearly. Tutorial_AI_thumbnail1.png. Finance_emotion_thumbnail2.png. Dramatic_story_thumbnail3.png. Step 6. Best practices for prompt writing. Here are some golden rules when writing prompts for thumbnails. Use cinematic terms, close-up, dramatic lighting, contrast, 16:9. Always describe the emotion or mood. Never include text in the image, add that manually in Canva. Now you have the exact tools, and the secret prompts, to turn your ideas into high-converting thumbnails. Don't just hope people click. Make them click. If you found this tutorial valuable, leave a like and consider subscribing.